Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. A sequence of patterns is made from squares. In the space below, draw pattern number 4. We can see the difference between pattern number 2 and pattern number 1 is simply 4 minus 1, which is 3. Again, we have here, which is 7, and here we have pattern 2, which is 4, and that's 3. So that means we add 3 each time. So we can assume that pattern number 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So let's draw this out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Complete the table. We already found the fourth, which is 10. And we know that the next term will be plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Work out the number of squares in pattern number 8. We can use the formula A is plus n minus 1d. A is the first term of the sequence. We see that's 1. So 1 plus, we find number 8 minus 1, and the difference is 3. So that gives us 1 plus 7 times 3, or 1 plus 21. So that gives us 22. Augustus says there are 42 squares in pattern number 15. Augustus is incorrect. Explain why. We can use the same formula here. We have A plus n minus 1d. A is the first term. Again, that is 1. So we have 1 plus. We're looking for the 15th term. So 15 minus 1 into d. And the difference is 3. So we can find this to be 1 plus 14 times 3, and that is 1 plus 30 plus 12, so that is 42, and that gives us 43. So we can say here Augustus is incorrect because term 15 is equal to 43, which is not 42. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.